Did you know a pig's head once caused the biggest scandal in football history? In the summer of 2000, Luis Figo shocked the world by betraying Barcelona for their biggest enemy, Real Madrid. 100,000 Barcelona fans burned his jersey and hung him in effigy across the city. But the real explosion came when he returned to Camp Nou that November. Death threats poured in. Security warnings were issued. The atmosphere was pure hatred. For 67 minutes, bottles and coins rained down every time he touched the ball. Then came the 68th minute. Figo walked to the corner flag to take a throw-in. Suddenly, a pig's head came flying from the stands, landing inches from his feet. Chaos erupted. 15 minutes of non-stop projectiles forced riot police onto the field. The match was nearly abandoned. FIFA threatened to ban Barcelona from European competition. That single pig's head changed El Clasico security forever, making it the most expensive projectile in football history. One piece of meat nearly destroyed the world's biggest rivalry.